Here's the Audi A8 seat controls, lumbar support, massage seating. Show you real quick how you can manipulate it and see it on the screen without having to look down. My left hand is on the control, up and down. There's a little dial, shows you the little image right here of that control that I'm actually manipulating right now. Shows you which way the control is actually going on the seat. This is for your massage seating. Once you select it, it already starts. You can control how strong the settings are. Whoops. Just let it sit there, go away, or you can go hit the back button. You also have your heated seat options and the ventilated seat. You blow air through the seats. As you see, there's holes. When you have the ventilated seat on, it will actually blow the air a little hotter. And they are separate controls for each side. You can synchronize them both. Once you manipulate the passenger side, they become unsynchronized. On your screen as well, you see the controls, so you don't have to look down. Your eyes are still forward. If I need to adjust where I want the air going, as you see, they're not synchronized right now, so they're working independently. Fan speed. The triangle there shows you what the auto setting was at for that car, for that seat. That'll shut off your heat and AC. There you have it.